Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. If it is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you a 1955 Oldsmobile 88. It never has been restored. On the other hand, it has been preserved. It has the original paint, original engine, automatic. It is a 4-door original color combination. It's got power steering, power brakes. I'm gonna be showing you guys the inside, the engine, trunk, bottom. This car is like new, like if it came out of the factory yesterday. Beautiful patina. It is a car that has all the bells and whistles, including the ring guards on all 4 doors. Interior is in very good shape. If you guys are looking for a car that has never been restored and it has been preserved like this one, we're asking $25,000. If you guys want to call, the number is going to be 305-305-6443. It is automatic. Everything works on this car. All the gauges work: amps, temperature, speedometer, fuel gauge, oil pressure. It is it's got 24,000 original miles. Very good steering wheel with 0 cracks. Padded dash. Radio works. It is an aftermarket radio resembling the original. Everything works, including the clock on the other side. All the doors are in excellent conditions, including front and rear seat. Door panels are good. All the doors close without the need of throwing them super hard. The car is located in Miami, Florida. It is a 3-owner vehicle. It's got 0 rust. It's got 4 good biplace tires, original size. You got the fender skirts. I'm gonna go ahead and open the hood for you guys. We just went for a ride and it drove like a brand new car. Power steering, power brake, all complete car. If you guys are looking for a solid, unrestored, unmolested Oldsmobile, the king of the road, call again 305-305-6443. Beautiful car in and out. We're going to start the car in just a second. That is not a dent. That is a paint scratch. At some point something happened there. The car starts right up and you're able to drive it. You're able to drive it anywhere. Zero misfires. It is a Super 88. Very nice car. Original key. Good looking trunk. You got matches from 1904. You got a pack of gum. You got your owner's manual. And you got your lubrication and record maintenance. Spare tire, original jack, good looking trunk. All the lights work. This car doesn't need anything except a new house, a new owner. So again, call. We're asking $25,000 for this car. 305-305-6443. Thank you so much for looking at the video, and I hope one of you guys end up with this beautiful 1955 Oldsmobile. Thank you, and God bless you all.